PMP. A project is a temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Let's break this down. Temporary does not mean short. It simply means the project has a defined start and a defined finish. Unique means the outcome is not routine work. For example, constructing a bridge is a project. Developing a new mobile application is a project. Implementing a new ERP system is a project. Now compare this with daily work. Processing invoices, running customer support, daily manufacturing operations. These are operations, not projects. So remember this clearly. Why projects are temporary and unique? Now here is an important question. If projects are so common, why do so many of them fail? Most projects fail because requirements are not clear, planning is weak, risks are ignored, communication is poor. Without proper project management, teams work in silos, deadlines slip, costs increase, stakeholders become unhappy. This is exactly why organizations need a structured way to manage projects. And this is where project management comes in. So what exactly is project management? Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project objectives. In simple terms, project management is how we plan, execute, monitor, and close a project successfully. It answers critical questions like: what needs to be delivered? When should it be delivered? How much will it cost? Who is responsible? What risks could occur? Project management provides structure, control, predictability, instead of chaos and guesswork. One of the most important concepts in PMP is the triple constraint. Every project is constrained by scope, what work will be done, time, the schedule, cost, the budget. These three are connected. If you increase scope, you will need more time or more cost. If you reduce the schedule, you may need extra budget or reduce scope. The role of the project manager is to balance these constraints while maintaining quality. This concept appears frequently in PMP, so understand it well. Now let's talk about the project manager. A project manager is not just someone who creates schedules. A project manager leads the team, communicates with stakeholders, identifies risks, solves problems, makes decisions. They act as the central point of coordination throughout the project lifecycle. This is why PMP focuses heavily on leadership, communication, decision-making, not just technical tools. Let's summarize what you learned today. A project is temporary and unique. Project management brings structure and control. It helps deliver results successfully. It balances scope, time, and cost. It increases the chance of project success. This understanding is the foundation of PMP.